Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create these super cute AI characters, which you can then animate so you can then start posting them on social media, whether that be a faceless page or even to get them to promote your products so you can start driving traffic to your stores. It's super quick, it's super easy. You're not going to need any paid subscriptions because you can do it for free. And all you're going to need is ChatGPT or Claude and Google Flow. So it's super simple and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to Google Flow, and this is where we're going to create and animate our character. Now you don't need a paid plan. You can do this for completely free. It is going to cost you some credits. I think you can make up to 2 videos per day, and then you have to wait for the credits to come back and something like that. So you can either pay for it, or if you want to try it out for completely free, do so. But the first thing you're going to do is input this prompt that I'm going to leave for you down in the description. And all it says is create a photorealistic 3D animation style image of X. Now this is going to be whatever character you want to create. So for me, I'm going to choose a beauty blender for this video, but you can make it anything. You make it a toothbrush, you can make it a car, a phone, whatever you want to do, put that in there. And it just says the object should have large expressive eyes, showing happiness, should be in this natural and thematic environment. And you're just going to have to change this, which is such as a makeup desk with lights. Now, if you choose a car, for example, you would change that to a roadside. So make sure that you just edit this prompt relating to the character you want to create, and then you're going to hit enter. And once Google Flow has done its magic, it's going to create a character for you that looks something like this. Now, if you want to edit anything, you can click on the image and tell Flow what you want it to change. So if you want the environment to be different, if you want maybe this to have different eye colors, or whatever you want to change, you can input that right here and get it perfect to your specifications. But for me, this is perfectly fine. Now the next thing we're going to do is add this down back into the prompt, and you're going to say create me a pose sheet of this character, if I can spell, on a plain white background doing different poses. Now what this is going to do is generate this character doing different poses on a plain white background. Now the reason why we do this is because if you're going to continue to use this character in your social media and you're going to use it in different scenes, you want it to stay exactly the same. You want the eyes to stay the same, the mouth, the hands, everything, you want it to be exactly the same. And how you're going to get that is by creating a post sheet, because it's going to give you different profiles of this character exactly like this. You can see how this character looks when it's jumping with joy, winking, peeking, laughing. You can see all of these different emotions. So if you go to put it in a different scene, you'll have these to fall back on so that your character stays the same and you don't end up losing it and creating a random character and then everything falls apart. So make sure you do this if you are looking to create multiple different angles of this character. But once you've done this, you're simply going to save this image of the character to your computer, and then you're going to go over to ChatGPT. And once you go over to ChatGPT, you're going to input the image of the character that you created, and then you're going to put in this prompt. Again, I'm going to leave for you down in the description. And all it says is I want to animate this beauty blender. Make sure that you change that for the character that you've created and make it jump up and down while saying X. So again, change this to whatever you want the character to say. Can you give me the animation prompt for Google Flow to turn this image into that video? And then ChatGPT is going to create this massive prompt for you for the video. Make sure you copy both the actual prompt and also the negative prompt as well, because what this is going to do is stop the things like camera shaking, object deformation, no extra characters, limbs, and all of that stuff. We're not going to get any of that, so make sure you input that as well. Once you've got this prompt, you're going to come back to Google Flow, right click on your character, add it to the prompt, and then you're going to paste that entire prompt that ChatGPT gave you for us to turn this from an image to a video. And the last and final step is we want to change the video generation defaults to 9:16, because this is going to be for the phone. If you're making it for, say, a YouTube video, then keep it on 16:9. We're going to leave it one time. And what that means is you will only get one video output. If you put it onto 2, then you're going to utilize all of your credits. So make sure it's on 1, and then you're going to hit save. Once you've hit save, you can then go and press enter. And now what Google Flow is going to do is go and start working on creating our image into a video. And just like that, you've now got a video of your character moving around, speaking words, and doing everything that you would need in order to actually go ahead and put this on your social media. And it was completely free, and we did it in literally less than 10 minutes. So it's very easy. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, you can actually go over to something like Higgsfield, where we can actually turn this from one scene into different scenes and start getting all sorts of crazy with it. But for the sake of this video, we're going to keep it super simple, because this is all you really need to get started. And like I said, it's super simple, it's easy, and it's free. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because it goes a long way into helping out me make more videos for this channel for completely free. And if there's any other tutorials that you want me to post about maybe making videos, doing AI automations, let me know down in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. But on that note, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.